Awesome dear. Hot air rises dear.
Oh,
it's all, some of them just don't want to ride. Haven't got enough petrol.
Airy, no, nearly.
See why they went over there.
Ow! This is helpful comments from the bloody... Do you realise how hot this lighter now is?
Yeah. So I can see.
Yeah. Well, you light up some kind of machine.
Hey.
Don't blow that.
Okay.
That fire burning still there.
Oh! Sorry.
I'm just trying to blow some of the hot air inside.
I know what you're doing, but
That
I know
shouldn't be
they're
a
walking
problem. You're blowing the hot air in, did you say?
No, no.
That's how I roll.
You've got to blow the hot air. You've got Easy face. Hang on, trying.
They are quite addictive, aren't they?
Yeah. I'm such a pyromaniac.
Yeah, whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Craig put his head in there.
Driving everyone to hospital later, you know.
You put a little bit further, mind
you
with the...
Designated fire marshal.
I've got a certificate for that.
Oh, it's a bit windy.
Stole up a fireman.
I'm gonna...
Oh my God!
Sorry.
It's gone calm.
The ground, guys.
Something goes
And then
wrong.
the cold air won't blow into it.
And then we'll shine you on fire outside.
Okay, I heard down so the cold won't get into it.
Oh.
It was a man who said that, I hate to say it.
I've got a load more inflated than theirs.
I'm gonna...
It's
true.
I've never known Craig
Stuck together around here, I don't know why.
He was blowing off air into it.
The only time Craig's competitive is when destroying something. And it's really hot now, so... Oh, I think you're a bit too...
Oh,
Straight to the tree! Straight to the tree!
Who wants to go mental? They're boys.
Crash and burn.
No, it would go up.
It's going to go to the house.
Use the force. Get it up. Get it up.
Oh, God.
Ours are still going.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.